Hi everyone, in this lesson we're going to learn Korean consonants. There are 14 consonants. Korean letters are phonetically based. Once you memorize how to pronounce each letters, you'll be able to read Korean. Korean is the easiest written language in the world, and there are 10 vowels and 14 consonants for beginners. Once you memorize these vowels and consonants, you'll be able to read most of the Korean words. G.
G.
Okay, this G sound is in between G and K. It's a bit closer to G, G sound, softer than G, G. So I'll do some example by adding some vowels. For example, it's not ga or ka, it's ka. And it's not go or ko, it's ko. And it's not gu or ku, it's ku. This letter may be a bit harder to pronounce since there's not an exact sound in English consonants. But the more you hear it, you'll be able to get it. Again, it's g, 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 as in ka, ka, ko, ku, ku, ki. G.
G.
N. Na. No. No. Nu. Nu. Ni. D.
D.
다. 더. 도. 두. 드. 디.
Uh.
B.
B.
S.
S.
A.
A.
J.
J.
Ch.
Ch.
K.
K.
T.
T.
P.
P.
H.
H.
감사합니다.